Hello, my name is Steve Herman, and I'm the author of Mediumship Mastery, the Ultimate Guide, and this is my book on mediumship training and development. I'm really into mediumship education. So the whole purpose of this video and my entire YouTube channel is on mediumship education. So please, if you haven't already, subscribe, smack that subscribe button, and check out all my videos. But in this particular video, we're going to be talking about one aspect of mediumship that can seriously poison and seriously contaminate anyone involved in mediumship if you're not careful, especially if you're very insecure, and especially if you have the wrong motivation for working as a medium. And we're going to be talking about jealousy. We're going to be talking about jealousy, envy, feeling insecure about your mediumship. Now, we know that there's some people, they see somebody else have something that they don't have, and they feel jealous. Oh my gosh, that person's car, it's new, it's shiny, it's expensive, I'm so jealous of them. Or, oh my gosh, that person has a job position, and they make so much more money than me, I'm jealous of them. Are any of you like that? Or, oh my gosh, that person's husband or that person's wife, oh, they're so much more beautiful than my husband or wife. Oh, I'm jealous of them. So all of this is just all nonsense. But we have it with mediumship too. People are jealous. And many mediums are very, very jealous of other mediums. So one of the big things you need to be very aware of when you work with mediumship is focus on being motivated for the right reasons. What are the right reasons? You want to serve God. You want to help people here in this physical world. And you also want to help people in the spirit world, don't you? It's all about love. And it's all about healing. So sometimes you have mediums and they'll criticize other mediums. They'll cut mediums down. I mean, you get this. Now, as a medium, I've been very involved, and I always have been very involved in the spiritualist movement. There's spiritualist centers and churches worldwide. And it's great because you go to a spiritualist church and the spirit communication and healing, it's all integrated in with the higher philosophy from the spirit world, really to help people with their growth. But you have sometimes in these churches or in these centers a lot of fighting between mediums, mediums comparing themselves to each other, mediums looking down on other mediums. So you never want to look down on another medium. You never want to condemn anybody else. Always try to see the good in others. Now, if for some reason you're a little insecure and you start to feel jealous because, oh my gosh, that medium, their clairvoyance it's more vivid than mine. Oh, that medium can levitate to the ceiling. I can only levitate a little bit off my chair. And then you get jealous. But this is what happens with people. Now, I do a lot of work within spiritualism, and you have spiritualist communities, spiritualist camps, and people at these spiritualist camps, many of them do readings. I know, just going to work at some of these places, and you'll have mediums watching, counting the number of readings that you get. Oh my gosh, Steve Herman had 10 readings. I only had 2 readings. He's here at the camp, and he's taking all the readings away from me. It's amazing. But they tend to fight each other. And I know in my own experience, I've had so many experiences where people are jealous for one reason or another. And you don't want to feel jealous. Or in a class situation, maybe one student is doing really well. They're having all these messages coming through really clearly and strongly from the spirit world. They're excelling. They're accurately conveying the communications. And what happens? Others in the class maybe aren't doing so well in their view. And they compare themselves to this individual, and then they end up getting jealous. Sometimes they even drop out because of this. They feel really discouraged. But I'll tell you, everybody has ability. So don't compare yourself to others. Don't worry how many sessions another medium does, or maybe you have a medium and they really bring through specific, exact information that's highly detailed. They're getting street addresses and names, and you're just getting this real generalized information. Just work harder at it. Everybody's a unique channel for the spirit world. Put effort in. Work at it. Be in it for the right reasons. Be enthusiastic about it. You'll attract people to you. You'll attract the higher spirits to you. And you can make such a considerable difference in the lives of others. Jealousy is poisonous. Jealousy is contamination. It's not a good thing. Always love yourself, and when you work for the spirit world, work for the right reasons. When you see a medium, sometimes someone goofs up, or they're having some challenges, they're not doing as well as they could do. Be supportive of that medium. If you ever find yourself cutting down other mediums, condemning other mediums, nip it in the bud. Focus on why you're doing this. What's your intention? Focus on how you can help other people, how you can bring others toward God, how you can assist others in their healing process. So I want to encourage you with your mediumship. If you have any questions or comments, please feel to put them down below. Please subscribe to this YouTube video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think. And God bless you, and thank you so much.